more people out of that Westgate shopping mall where a massacre took place 3 days ago. A few minutes ago we showed you these pictures coming through, and there's still a lot of smoke coming out of that shopping complex. In the past 2 days, several people have emerged after hiding rather than being held at gunpoint. And the latest reports say there have been blasts and gunfire at the shopping mall. Kenyan officials say they have isolated the attackers in the mall. Since last night, they've suggested that the operation was in its final stages, with authorities saying they'll do their utmost to save the lives of hostages. But the actual number is still unclear. The Somali Islamist group Al-Shabaab says it is behind the attack, which has so far left 68 people dead and 175 injured, and they say it's in retribution for the Kenyan forces' push in 2011 into neighbouring Somalia. Okay, well, we have Penina Kariba with us there from Nairobi. Many thanks indeed, Penina, for being with us. Just bring us up to date on what you know and talk us through the latest developments, especially with this new sign of smoke coming through the top of the shopping mall.
Well, I can tell you the situation here has developed very fast in the last few minutes. We did hear a couple of explosions, and shortly after that, a thick cloud of smoke, dark smoke, was actually billowing up from the mall. Now, we do understand, not officially there, but word on the ground is that that was by the Kenya Defence Forces. We also get word that some hostages have been freed. We do not know how many. There's no confirmed word yet on that. But I can also tell you, Edwin, that right now as we speak, we have military helicopters going around, the air. We understand that the KDF had indicated, just like you mentioned, that this could be the final assault to rescue the hostages and bring the whole situation to an end. So early this morning, there was a heavy exchange of gunfire, and the government finally said that they had freed some hostages. Now, we also understand that some hostages have been freed. As you can see from the live pictures behind me, Adrian, you can see what we're talking about. Those explosions that we understand were by the Kenya Defence Forces. We do not know yet the fate of the attackers inside. The government yesterday had said there were about 10 to 15. We do not know whether that number still remains the same or whether there are some that could have fallen to that exchange of fire between the KDF and them. But what we do know right now is that, yes, Adrian, this could be very well the very final stages of this standoff.
All right, Penina, many thanks indeed. We'll keep in touch with you. Penina Kariba, who's very near the shopping mall.